welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and if this is your first time stopping by, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my own passion twist using straight hair. Actually, I tried looking for passion twists like the hair they used for passion twists, but I couldn't find it in most of the beauty supply stores around me. So I decided to go ahead and make my own passion twist. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video till the end. So all you'll be needing to make your passion twist is a Kanekalon hair, and this brand is Superstar. Yeah, so you're just going to need your straight braiding hair. And I'm also going to be using this 12-inch bamboo skewer. It has 100 pieces inside. I saw it and I just thought I'll use it to form the curls. Yeah, so let's continue the video. Let me show you how I did the entire process. So keep watching. As you can see, this crystal hair has like 2 parts inside. I'm just going to begin with the first part, and yeah, it's super long, and to make things easy, I'm going to cut it into 2 because I cannot imagine myself like rubbing the whole length onto the bamboo skewer. So yeah, I cut it into 2, and what I'm doing is just trying to make the ends not to be too sharp. So this is what I do, and then I just comb it all out. So now I just fold the hair into 2 and put the bamboo in the middle, and yeah, I had a little bit of a struggle there because this kept coming out, like it kept untying and all that stuff, but yeah, in the end I finally figured it out. So just keep watching. You see that in the end I didn't even continue using the bobby pins to secure it. So yeah, you just have to give it a try, and whichever one works best for you, that's what you should do. So this is what I'm talking about. I just pass the bamboo through the hole, then break the stick a little bit, and then pass the hair on top of the broken part before continuing. I realized that because the top part was a bit thicker, so it was able to stay put. Yeah, so that was the trick, and yeah, I just continued doing that. Now I'm done with half packet of the hair, and I'm just going to do the other part off camera. But yeah, I got 27 pieces from the half pack, and I'm just going to continue by putting the sticks into really hot water. That's what's going to form the curls. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, putting them into hot water. I kept it in there for about 30 minutes. Yeah, before taking it off and allowing it to air dry. I just let it air dry. Okay, the hair is completely air dried, and I got 58 pieces in total. This is like the complete one pack. Okay, so before I show you guys how I installed it, I'm just showing you now how I take down the hair. So yep, this is how I take down the hair from the bamboo skewers, and you can see the curls are popping. So I just take it off from the end and then leave the stick there so that I can be able to put my fingers in the hole, if you get that, because I found it difficult when I take off the stick to locate the hole at the center. Was a bit tricky. So yeah, that's what I did, and this is how the hair looks like. It's completely dry. So guys, as you can see, I've done a large part of my hair, and then I left this part so that I can show you guys how I did this on my hair. So yeah, make sure you watch what I'm doing. So what I'll do is apply my leave-in conditioner. You want to make sure your hair is moisturized before putting it in a protective stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. So I'm placing this hair under, and then I'm using my hair as the third hair, like when you braid. So that's what I'm doing. So at the end, I'm kind of braiding it. Yeah, you just braid a little bit. Then when I've braided the hair a little bit, and then I'm going to separate my hair into two. So now I'm just proceeding to twist my hair. there, and I got 58 pieces of this, which I used 53. So if you're going to give this a try, please let me know in the comment section below. And are you going to be using sticks to form your curls or something else? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.